Hey there, this is Dan. I'm at the golf course today and I want to challenge you to a game of golf. Now, I haven't played golf in so long, I do not even have a set of clubs anymore. Not that I ever really got into it, but I did have a little set years ago. But I want to challenge you to a game of golf. And what I have here to put my money where my mouth is 50 cents. I don't know if you can see it, but if you do not have 50 cents as well, I've got another 50 cents to pay for you. And let's play 18 holes and let's just double up each hole, right? It's only 18 holes and it's only 50 cents. Do you accept the challenge? Okay, so the first hole, right, 50 cents. The second hole, $1, $2, $4, $8, $16, $32, $64, $128, $256, $512, $1,024. $2,048, $4,096, $8,192, $16,384, $32,768, and the last but not the least, obviously, $65,536. Be careful what you agree to, you guys, because I'm vicious at golf. I joke, I'm not that good at golf, but what I want to explain today is compounding and how this has a massive effect on our lives, positively and negatively. You make foolish decisions, your life will compound the wrong way. You make wise and prudent decisions, your life will compound the other way. So I encourage you to think about this, especially as you age. If you look at your insurance premiums will increase as you age, unless you level them. Your investments will increase. Your self as the strongest asset will increase as well with age. And a lot of life, what we have is multiplication. It does not just add up, it multiplies. So I encourage you to think a bit more about these things. Until next time, bless you all.